Hello, thanks for joining eGlass railing for this installation video. We will be demonstrating the main steps for installing our eGlass element post-to-post system, which includes our thinnest handrail option and segmented design that's easy and economical to ship. Before installing this system, familiarize yourself with local building codes for compliance and consult the instructional PDF for more tips and detailed instructions. To begin, reference the layout sheet provided by your estimator to determine the locations of your posts and prepare them with blocking. Mark where your base plate holes will be and line up the holes of your base plate pads with these marks. Select a base plate and post blank for installation. Attach the base plate to the post using the 6 flathead screws indicated in the instructional PDF. Set the completed post assembly down over the base plate pad. Slide screw cover sleeves into the holes of the base plate and place screw cover bases over the holes. Fasten the base plate to the deck or other surface using the anchor bolts indicated in the instructional PDF. Continue tightening the bolts until the head is firmly seated against the base plate, but be careful not to over-tighten. Snap the screw cover caps onto the screw cover bases. Repeat the process for each post. Place the drill guide on the side of the post and cut the post to its final height. Repeat for each post. Use the drill guide again to mark the screw locations for your rail connecting blocks or RCBs. Remove the drill card and attach the RCBs to the post. Repeat for each post. Set the bottom rail down onto the lower RCBs until it snaps into place. Use the pan head tech screws indicated in the instructional PDF to secure the rail on the RCBs. Snap the bottom rail glass vinyl into the top of the bottom rail. Snap the rail cover into the underside of the bottom rail to complete the assembly. Press the top rail infill up into the upper RCBs until it snaps into place. Secure using the pan head tech screws indicated in the instructional PDF. Set the top rail over the RCBs and snap it into the top rail infill. Insert the top rail vinyl into the top rail infill to complete the top rail. Now that the frame is finished, it's time to slide the glass panel into place. Center the panel between the posts. To make the glass installation easier, coat the top and bottom edges of the glass with foaming glass cleaner. Insert the glass panel up into the top rail vinyl at an angle, then push the bottom part of the glass panel forward to line it up with the bottom rail before setting it down into the bottom rail vinyl. Complete the railing by snapping post caps onto the posts. Thanks for watching and enjoy your finished glass railing. If you are interested in this railing, be sure to visit our website at eglassrailing.com and click on the green button at the top of the page to request an estimate from one of our railing experts. For additional questions, give us a call at 800-545-1275 or send an email to sales@eglassrailing.com.